streets where they run, bells ring out, so much fun. Trumpets play in the icy night, pianos join in the festive light. Children gather around the tree, snowflakes dance so wild and free. Laughter echoes in the air, joy and warmth everywhere. Candles glow in every stall, music fills the night so tall. In this town of love and cheer, every heart is full, no fear. Children gather around the tree, snowflakes dance so wild and free. Laughter echoes in the air, joy and warmth everywhere. Candles glow in every stall, music fills the night so tall.